Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Proccd and confirming permissions so the app can access camera, mic, and files. Once done, choose your recording preset, 4K/30 for quality, 1080/60 for motion, because frame rate affects motion smoothness and file size. Make sure your device is steady. Attach a tripod or enable stabilization. Then turn on grid and level guides to align horizons and subjects. These small choices save time later when grading and exporting. Now dive into manual controls for precise results. Switch to manual mode and set shutter speed, ISO, and white balance so exposure and color remain consistent across shots. Use focus peaking to confirm sharpness and enable the histogram plus zebras to protect highlights. Adjust until the graph and stripes look balanced. Route audio appropriately. Pick internal or external mic and set input gain. Monitoring through headphones prevents clipping. These steps let you capture high-quality footage that needs minimal correction later. Press record and use the countdown timer to get into position. Add markers during takes to flag usable clips so you save time in review. Once done recording, scrub through footage in Proccd, trim start and end points, and label clips. Apply a basic LUT or preset if you want a consistent look before export. Finally, export using H.264 for broad compatibility or ProRes for high-quality editing work, and watch file size. If exports fail, restart the app and check storage permissions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.